Hi everyone, today we're unboxing the brand new 2024-2025 model of the BLACK+DECKER portable AC unit. Now, I want to point out that this is the latest model, so unlike many other reviews you might have come across on this platform that will show you older versions, this is the actual real new model. So make sure to watch this video because if you're ordering the unit right now, this is exactly the version you're going to get. This AC can easily cool down a room up to 550 square feet, so it's perfect for a bedroom, office, gym, garage, and more. So let's start the unboxing. First, we have the foam seals. There's a thicker seal that usually goes at the bottom of the window and a thinner one with adhesive that goes on top of the window panel. Now, this setup ensures a tight seal with no air gap, and that's going to make sure that you keep the hot air from entering your room and the cold air from escaping. Next, we have the user manual and a remote. Now, this remote has a ton of options, so you can easily control your AC unit without having to get up. But I wanted to mention that it does not come with batteries. Okay, moving on. Now we have the air exhaust hose. It's flexible and bendable, and it will connect between your portable AC and the window insert to push all the hot air out of your room. If you look inside the air exhaust hose, you'll also find a small plastic hose, and this is your water evacuation hose. So when you're running the AC and dehumidifier, you might end up with some condensation. That's normal. You can either empty it in the integrated bucket reservoir that's inside the unit, or you can attach this hose to the back and have it run into either a bigger bucket, a sink, tub, or even outside. Next, we have the window insert panel. Now, this piece covers the gap between the window when it's open and allows you to connect the air exhaust hose. It's adjustable, so it should work for pretty much any size window, whether vertically or horizontally. And now for the next part. Don't make the same mistake I did. Don't try to take the AC out of the box the way it is. Let me tell you, it's heavy, it's slippery with a protective plastic on it. And as I was struggling, I realized that those boxes are made to just lift from the top and over the unit. So yeah, live and learn, it's much easier. Don't make the same mistake I did. So there you have it. The unit looks really sleek. It's made out of quality plastic. This is the new, again, updated version for 2024-2025, so the controls and everything else are much nicer than on the older model, which I had. So overall, this is a great unit. Like I said, I had the older version, which was fantastic, but I gave it to my brother during a hurricane, and when it came time to get a new one, I did not hesitate to pick up this new version because it's been great. I've never had any issue with the old one, and this new one looks even slicker, makes my room very cold in a matter of minutes. It's quiet, it's great, and I definitely recommend it. So I hope this helped. After testing the 8,000, 12,000, and 14,000 BTU versions of this BLACK+DECKER portable AC unit, today I'm going to tell you all about the pros and cons of this model, and at the end I'll give you my honest opinion and tell you if I would buy it again or if I would pick something else. Let's kick things off with the pros. First one, it's super easy to install. You just plug the unit into the wall and connect the exhaust hose into the back of the AC unit and then into the window mount adapter that is provided in the box. It only took me 10 minutes and that's it, you are ready to go. Now the next pro is how compact and portable it is. The small size and the wheels make it super easy to move to a different room. So it's really convenient because unlike with a traditional AC unit, which is pretty much fixed, you are not stuck in one location with this one. Now the third pro and my favorite is how insanely efficient it really is. Like seriously, it cools down a room so quickly. It's really impressive and much more efficient than what I was expecting. The fourth pro is actually the sound, or actually the lack of it. It's very quiet. I know some people say you can hear it, but honestly, for the power it has and how much it cools down the room, it's very quiet. And it does not bother me at all. It's comparable to just a regular fan. Last but not least, the fifth pro, it has a washable filter, which makes it super easy to clean, and it keeps your air quality top notch. Now let's tackle a couple of the cons. Nothing major, but they are worth mentioning. So con number one, it has somewhat of a glossy finish, and it might sometimes show dust a little bit more than another unit or something with more of a matte finish, and it does show scratches a little bit over time. Now, if you're careful, it's not a deal breaker at all, but it's something to be aware of. Second con, the remote control is not backlit. It might be a little challenging to use in the dark or at night. Again, these cons for me are not deal breakers at all. So all things considered, I'm very pleased with the BLACK+DECKER unit. It's very efficient, it works great, it's quiet, portable, and it cools down rooms super fast. So would I buy it again? Yes, yes, and yes, absolutely. It's been great, and I've had a few different units over the past few years, and this one is by far my favorite. It just works, and honestly, like, it's been a game changer for me being in Texas where it's super hot, especially right now. And I really love when the cool air kicks in, and I'm sure you will love that too.